Do you use human design in your own personal dating or check it out on friends? I have checked out some friends. I've helped a lot of friends with it. In my personal dating, no, because I'm in a committed relationship for 7 years now, and I've discovered human design 2 years ago. So I haven't used it in dating, but I have used it to help my relationship. So through human design, we've been able to decondition our past bullshit from lives before, from our life before we met. And it has helped us see that most of the things that people struggle with in relationships are nothing personal. They are mechanics. It's just mechanics. It's just how electromagnetically we connect to each other. Some parts of us will be repulsed, some parts of us will be attracted. It's all magnets. It's all electromagnetic connections between humans. So anytime we had any sort of struggle, we would go to the charts, we would see, okay, I have this root energy, so maybe it's not about you, maybe I just need to release it more. Oh, you have this mental energy, maybe you just need to write more, you need to speak into the camera, you need to really just get rid of the pressure. It all depends on what energy I have ingrained within me all the time and what energy she has, or your husband, or your children. And then based on that, you can sort of see, oh, I'm gonna influence you in this way, and you're gonna influence me in that way, and how can we find a common language? So nay, that is human design. Tomorrow is the dedicated human design session, but if you guys want to learn more right now, not waiting for tomorrow, everyone can go to my website, and there is a section about human design, and there is free videos, free graphics about it. But basically it's about your energy and how you connect to another person. Almost like you have electrical outlets and other people have plugs. And then in what areas do you plug into another person, and in what areas does the other person plug into you? And there is thoughts, expression, root pressure, sexual energy, emotions, fears, survival instinct, willpower, proving yourself, self-worth, sense of direction, sense of identity. And these are all like electrical sockets in your body, and some people have openings in certain areas and you have openings in other areas, and some people have like, what's the other word? So there's socket on one side, electrical socket, and what's the other thing? Cable, I guess. So you have somewhere you have cables, other people have cables in other places. So you will be feeding energy in some areas and you will be receiving energy in some areas. And that's like a really rough, like 20-second explanation about human design, but it's really a fucking science. It's really huge. So check it out either through the website or come tomorrow. Tomorrow we're going to talk about human design.